Are you having anxiety with this pandemic emergency situation? That things are not working out as you expected? Are you dealing with many incoherent things around you? You may ask yourself questions like, how can we reconnect ourselves? How can I be happy? There is a great tool from Japan called NAIKAN. NAIKAN means introspection. The word nai is inside, and the word kan is looking. So, looking inside. Original NAIKAN Therapy is an intense, self-reflective process that starts from 5:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sitting at the corner of the quiet room surrounded by a Japanese screen as a wall on two sides. Sitting Seiza straight back in space. Japanese Seiza means proper sitting. That is kneeling down on the floor, and buttocks must be rested directly on top of the feet. The volunteer interviewer slides one of the walls after 90 minutes and just asks you to the 3 questions and listens for 5 minutes. Then slides the wall to close. There are only 3 questions to practice the NAIKAN. This video class plays the role of the interviewer. So, you don't have to worry about what you are answering. I will show you how to practice NAIKAN at home while you are quarantined. I hope to see you in the next video to practice NAIKAN at home with you.